Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to fix the problem that you might be having with WooCommerce if your cart is not updating. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform that we are using for WooCommerce. If you're using WordPress like me, just go to wordpress.com, and after that it's going to open up this main page. From here at the left side of the screen we can find the plugin section. This is where you can access your plugins you have installed, and if you have set up your WooCommerce store already, you have installed the plugins and they're going to appear right here and you can access WooCommerce. From here we can get started troubleshooting. What you can do is follow any kind of article that's going to enable you to follow some troubleshooting steps, and you can go and follow them for yourself. Read about what you need to do, and all that you're going to need is going to be right here in the WooCommerce section. So keep that in mind. All the settings that they are going to tell you to follow and so on is going to appear in your WooCommerce plugin. So but most often they're going to tell you to disable your plugins and turn them on again. If you want to go and disable your plugins that are related to your checkout, to your cart, and so on, and then see if the problem still persists after turning them on, you're going to know the problem is with the plugins. After that, you can go and contact customer support or try to install some different plugins that you can go and use for your store and for your checkout and cart. See if that is going to fix your problems, and usually it should. If you need any more help, follow the articles and see what else you can do for your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.